Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Google Chrome tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default homepage in Google Chrome. So the default homepage is going to be the web page that is displayed when you first open up Chrome or when you hit the little home button in the top left up here. Now in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your homepage to Google, but you can use the same steps to change your homepage to any website on the internet. So the first thing we need to do is simply navigate to the website that we want to be our homepage in Google Chrome. So like I said, for me, it'll be Google. The next thing we need to do is go up into the address bar up here where it says the address of the website that we're going to be making our homepage. Simply click into it one time, and that should highlight the entire address. All we want to do is just make sure that the entire address of the website is highlighted. From there, we need to right click on the address and then go down to copy. Once we've copied the address of the website we want to be our homepage, Google Chrome, we need to open up the settings for Google Chrome. And we do that by going over to the top right where you see these three little dots, select that, and then go down to settings in the menu that opens up. Once the Google Chrome settings open up, simply scroll down until you see the item that says on startup. And from there, you'll see three options: open the new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. That's the one we need to select. So select that. Now all we need to do is select add a new page. And then it will open a text field where we can paste the URL or the address of the web page we want to make our homepage. So I'm just going to simply right click into the text field and then go down and choose paste. So as you can see, this is Google's web address. Now all I need to do is select add. And once you've selected add, you'll see the website located right down here. There's one more step. We need to scroll up in the settings until we see appearance, and you'll see show home button. So now we need to change what happens when you select the home button right here. If you don't see the home button, what you need to do is make sure that you have this toggled over so that the home button is showing. Once we have that showing, the next step is going to be to select this little button right here next to enter custom web address and simply paste the address of the website you want to be your homepage in Google Chrome. So now I have Google there. Now I'm done and I can close the settings for Google Chrome. So now that I've selected my homepage in Google Chrome, if I'm on any website in Google Chrome and I select the home button up here, it'll take me to Google. So that's how you change the default homepage in Google Chrome. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google Chrome tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.